See how I know where to go? Weird, huh? How's the oil pressure? Keep watching it. Keep watching it. Rough.
Wait, butt getting warm? Woo!
What?
Butt getting warm?
No, I'd say the motor is running. Something's not right. It's got a rough sound. Yeah.
It's ticking. Listen.
Every once in a while.
Ticking. Now, I'm going to show off.
See that quivering?
Yeah, the quiver.
What's that from?
That ain't horsepower.
It's your father's old school. Something's wrong. I just don't want to blow a rock.
Yeah, I know. Have a throw pistol to your head. That one going creeping?
Go right there.
Ranking, no, creeping.
Creeping.
It's fast. You should bring it above like $1.5 grand, huh?
What?
You should bring the motor above like $1.5 grand, huh? That's when it starts ticking. It's starting to tick pretty bad now, listen. You hear it? Tick, 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 tick.
Splashing over the edge, the water's right up higher than the boat. That's like the pump.
It sounds like it's coming from right here.
What happened?
Took in a mouthful of water.
Oh, you talking about the big wave? You're wooing about that or what?
No, man. I said, woo! That went, oh, it smashed the whole thing with push inside the boat.
Something's going on back there.
You feel
him in
Yeah.
just a second or so, you know?
Uh-huh.
Maybe 3 or 4 seconds, actually.
Those crazy, they got it down to science when the water comes in that.
Oh.
The R's drop, and you're like, oh.
Just the feel of it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I used to have her down to a science. Yeah, she just needs to be gone through, Andre.
Your motor.
Is it? For sure.
Put your head right. Compare it. It sounds like it's
I'll
coming.
trust. Your hearing's a lot better than mine. Too many V8s over the years. Hold the Fiesta. Yeah,
The sound's traveling. Maybe it is coming from the pump.
hard to say. I think it's a combination of things.
Yeah. Probably time to
Alternator
adjust it.
bearings,
Probably, yeah.
slapping at the old bearings itself, water
Yeah.
pump, need rebuilt, and maybe even a little bit of a loose lifter. Other than that, nothing's wrong.
Good as a new one. With the racing motor.
Weird being that low, huh?
There should be about 4 feet, 5 feet under the water.
Oh,
The beach should be so above the water, right here, looking down.
yeah. It's starving, starving. It's all water pump and alternator. Just a hair lifter maybe on this side over here.
Yeah.
Motor's running pretty good though.
What is it, 1,000?
Huh? You want to watch the old tack when we hop on her here. Okay, watch the tack. That pump don't sound good at all. Does it?
Think it's a water pump?
I think so. I think so.
Park my lunch in this.
Mellow. Hum, hum. No RPMs and 0 vacuum level. That's what everybody wants to see. Yeah, buddy. The buddy with the big boat. There we go.